Hi, I'm Alvin, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make my crispy chicken thighs with Caprese bread salad. So you guys might know me, I make a lot of videos where I take on challenging recipes, and those are kind of fun, but when I cook for myself at home, I like food with a lot of flavor and not a lot of effort. And one of my favorite ways to add that savory taste without a lot of effort is MSG. So I'm making a recipe with MSG today. It's an ingredient that's been unfairly villainized for decades, but is actually totally safe and delicious. I like to describe it as that kind of extra something special that you can add to your food and it makes it taste really good, but you're not really quite sure why it tastes that good. It's really great on meats like chicken as well as vegetables, which don't usually offer a savory taste on their own. For my crispy chicken thighs, I'm using half a teaspoon of MSG and half a teaspoon of salt. You can reduce the sodium intake without sacrificing the flavor. When you think of MSG, usually you think of Asian food, but I think it can really apply to a bunch of different cuisines. At home, I don't just cook Asian food, but I find myself putting MSG in like everything because it just tastes really good. What a lot of people might not know is that it's actually naturally in a lot of the foods we eat, like tomatoes, Parmesan, mushrooms, seaweed, and a bunch of other stuff. It's a really accessible ingredient. You can find MSG in regular grocery stores, not just in Asian markets or online. MSG is also available as accent. I think when it comes to cooking at home, the goal is to be simple, quick, but still have lots of flavor. And I think this recipe is really good because none of the ingredients are super complicated, but you have stuff like the MSG that kind of brings the natural flavor out of everything. You don't have to do too much with it and it's gonna taste really good. That's also really why I like to use MSG in home cooking because it just adds a lot of flavor and I don't even have to do much. Well, there you have it. This is my crispy chicken thighs with Caprese bread salad. It's really easy, and I encourage you guys to explore how you can use MSG in your home cooking, and I'm gonna go eat now.
Oh, yes!